In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unarchive Trello cards and lists in our Quick Tips series. If you've accidentally archived something or just need to retrieve archived content, this straightforward guide will help you do so with ease. Let's dive right in. First, open up Trello and navigate to the board where you initially archived the card. This step is crucial because you'll only be able to unarchive items from the specific board they were moved to the archive from. Once you're on the correct board, look to the right side of your screen and click on Show Menu. This will open up additional options, revealing more functionalities at your disposal. In the menu, you will see an option labeled More. Click on this and a drop-down menu will appear. From here, select Archived Items, which will direct you to a comprehensive list of all the items you've archived from this board. If you're looking for a specific card, there's a search bar at the top of this section. It can be quite helpful to type in the name of the card to quickly locate it, although this step is optional. Once you've found the card you want to restore, simply click Send to Board. This action will return the card to your board, making it visible to you and your team members once again. Now, shifting focus to unarchiving lists. Navigate to the board menu on the right side once more, and just like with the cards, click on More, then select Archived Items. When in the Archived Items section, switch over to the Lists tab. This is essential as cards and lists are stored separately within Trello's archive area. Browse through the list of archived lists until you find the one you wish to restore. Once it catches your eye, click Send to Board, and voila, the list will reappear on your board. You'll notice that it is added to the far right side of your board, so if you have numerous lists, you might need to scroll across to see it. It's important to keep in mind that organizing your board after restoring a list might be necessary to maintain workflow clarity and efficiency. Simply drag the list to your desired location within your board to keep everything structured. And there you have it. Unarchiving in Trello is not only easy, but also a crucial skill to manage your workflow effectively. Whether you are retrieving a single card or complete lists, using these detailed steps will ensure you can manage your archived content seamlessly. Thank you for tuning into our Quick Tips series. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights on optimizing your productivity with Trello and other tools.